Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Hipods H2 wireless earbuds. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please just don't only watch. Make sure you go ahead and mash that thumbs up button as it truly helps my channel. Also, if you want to receive more content like this, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. Now we can always know whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, today we're going to talk about the Tecno Hipods H2. All right, let's have a quick look at the box. I don't spend a lot of time here, so we can jump right to it. Take a look at the back. All right, you can see that information there. Pretty cool. It does have Bluetooth 5, just to point that out. You can see the battery size there. All right, you can see the size or the battery size of the charging case. Playtime is 6 hours at 60% volume and up to 4.5 hours at 100%. Standby time is 30 hours. All right. Good information there. And without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. All right, let's go ahead and slide this out just like that. You have your manual. Let's check this out really quick. Whoa, don't want to lose the ear tips. Okay, didn't realize they were in there. Missing one. There we go. So you have micro USB to type A charge cable. And since we were talking about the ear tips, you do have extra ones here in case the ones that come with them are too large, too small. So you should have a medium and a large and a small as far as the three options you have. But the ones that's already on there, I'm not sure what size they are. It's probably medium. Okay. And here's the case itself. All right. Charge port is on the side here. And this is probably, yeah, this is going to be your status light as far as the battery on the case. And there they go. Really nice looking. As you can see, it's magnetically connected or charging. Okay, quick size comparison. As far as the charge case, you have the Hipods H2 and the Samsung Galaxy Live Buds case. All right, side by side, this is all around larger, but small enough to easily fit in your pocket. All right, so let's get these out of the case. This does shut magnetically, as you can see there. So no worries there. You can see that the light is on. Once you open this, the light cuts off. Close it. You can see it's charging again. A little closer. If I open it, okay, it's fully charged now, but if I open it and close it, that starts the charging, which is cool. Let's take these out. And there is film on here, so that has to be taken off on both of these. All right, let's do that real quick. That's one. As soon as I get that off, you can see it's in pair mode. Let's get the other one off. All right, let's get this sticky stuff out of here. And remove this one as well. There it goes. All right, so let's have a closer look here. There are no buttons on here, so it's all touch sensitive. Just keep that in mind. You can see that they are labeled R and L for right and left. All right. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. I'm not going to spend time on the manual because the functions or the operation should be straightforward with the triple taps and the double taps for volume and play and answering calls or doing all those good things. So let me go ahead and get this paired up so we can see how the sound quality is. And I'll let you know my thoughts and I'll be right back. So of course, when you do pair this, you're going to look for the Tecno Hipods H2. All right. Pair. And it should be ready to go. So what are my thoughts after testing out the Tecno Hipods H2? I gotta tell you that I was quite impressed. First of all, the design of these ear tips are really, really nice. When this is in your ear canal, it doesn't feel like it's pressing in there, all right? And these are very light. So once you have them in there, you can have them in there all day and it should not bother you, in my opinion, all right? The touch controls work very, very responsively. Once you tap on it twice or how many times you need to get it to operate, it responds. Once you take them out the case, it connects to your device instantly. Really, really nice. Now the sound quality, again, I was really impressed by them. It's a nice sweet spot where it's not too much bass. It's just enough. And again, I'm not an audiophile, so you audiophiles out there may be saying or thinking that I'm using terminologies incorrectly. I'm just going to tell you this from like an average user perspective. They're very comfortable and the sound quality is at the sweet spot, which the majority will love these, again, in my opinion. All right. I was watching the final trailer for Black Widow. And when I had these in and I was watching that trailer on YouTube, zero lag, absolutely zero lag. The sound quality was crisp while watching that trailer. Again, zero lag, and it had that immersive feel to it. So it felt like you were in the picture. It had that feeling as if you were in the theater. All right, I'm not lying. These are very impressive. And I played some music. And again, it was at that sweet spot where it was not overwhelming where the bass is too much, where you can't hear the lyrics. It was at the perfect sweet spot. All right. And I made a few phone calls and they said I sound crystal clear, and I heard them crystal clear. So all around, these are a true winner. All right. Now, if you're interested in this, of course, there's going to be a link in the description section of this video. And this completes my review for the Tecno Hipods H2 wireless earbuds. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.